Pinirmahan na ng Pangulong Aquino ang 2014 National Budget upang maging isang ganap na batas. 37% ng national budget na katumbas ng 841.8 billion pesos ang inilaan para sa social services ng pamahalaan. Ilan sa mga serbisyong ito ay ang 62.6 billion pesos para sa Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program at suporta para sa pag-aaral ng higit sa 4 na milyong estudyante. 44.6 billion pesos para sa pagpapatayo at pagkukumpuni ng libo.
Good day! Today, we will tackle all about the government budget. So, what is government budget?
A government budget is a legal document that forecasts the government expenditures and revenues for a specific period of time. The period covered by a budget is usually a year, known as financial or fiscal year, which may or may not correspond with the calendar year. A government budget is often passed by the legislator and approved by the chief executive or president.
Budget preparation.
The procedures in the preparation and approval of the national budget is regulated by law. On or before October 20 of each year, each department secretary submits to the Department of Budget and Management the estimated income and expenditures of the offices or bureaus under him or her for the next fiscal year. Upon receipts of the estimated income and expenditures of each department, the DBM prepares the proposed national budget. The secretary of the DBM, however, can review, investigate, examine, assemble, coordinate, and either reduce or increase the proposed budget for each department.
Pag humihingi ka ng nagpapaprocess ka ng driver's license o passport, merong taning na panahon na nakalagay ngayon sa budget.
When the proposed budget has been prepared, the DBM secretary submits the same to the president, who in turn submits it to the Congress.
Budget appropriations.
Social services. Included in this sector are funding support for education, social security and welfare, health, housing and community amenities, and the anti-poverty program of the government.
Economic services. Expenses for this sector include those for agriculture, agrarian reform, natural resources, promotion of trade, industry and tourism, utilities and infrastructure, development of science and technology, and other economic services.
General public administration or services. The budget allocation of the sector funds the expenses for government housekeeping, economic and fiscal administration, enforcement of justice, public order and safety, local government operations, as well as the maintenance of international diplomacy.
Defense. The allocation for this sector is used for domestic security stability and the maintenance of peace and order, which are deemed paramount in the promotion of economic growth and progress.